In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect OneDrive from Microsoft Office. If you're like many users who prefer to keep their files local or have another cloud storage preference, this step-by-step guide will help you keep your files from automatically saving to OneDrive. Let's dive in. To begin, open any Microsoft Office application. For this demonstration, we'll be using Microsoft Word, but you can choose any Office app that suits you. Once it's open, you might be familiar with creating and saving documents, and you've probably noticed that by default these files automatically save to your OneDrive account. If you've been wondering how to change that default setting, you're in the right place. Our first course of action will be to navigate to the Options menu within your chosen Office application. You can find this by clicking on File in the top menu and then selecting Options from the sidebar. Once there, a new window pops up with several tabs listed on the side. We want to find and click on Privacy Settings. At this point, you'll be introduced to various privacy and data collection settings that Microsoft Office has in place. For our needs, focus on scrolling down until you see All Connected Experiences. Disabling this feature is crucial because it is what ties Office apps to automatically sync with OneDrive. Take a look at the box that is checked next to All Connected Experiences. It's time to go ahead and uncheck it. Now, before we proceed, it's important to mention that this action might impact some of the collaboration features that rely on cloud connectivity, so only proceed if you're comfortable with potentially losing some of those functionalities. Once you've unchecked the box, click OK to confirm your changes. You'll notice a prompt informing you that you need to restart Microsoft Word for these changes to take effect. Go ahead and close the application, then reopen it. Marvel at how seamless it was to regain control over your file storage destinations. By completing this process, OneDrive is no longer the automatic go-to save location for your Office documents. With OneDrive disconnected, you have successfully altered the saving behavior in Microsoft Word, setting a precedence for other Office apps as well. If ever you wish to revert to saving files to OneDrive automatically, simply return to the same settings menu, check the box for all connected experiences, and restart the application again. And there you have it, a straightforward way to disconnect OneDrive from Microsoft Office. Remember, this change ensures that your documents remain local unless otherwise specified by you. We hope this guide was clear and helpful, bringing you more flexibility in where your valuable files are stored. Thanks for watching.